Ready to tie your shoes? Let's sing it step by step. Just follow along. Go across the laces, make an X. Cross the laces, make an X. Tuck one under, what comes next? Tuck one under, what comes next? Pull them tight, make them hug. Pull them tight, make them hug. Like a ribbon, nice and snug. Like a ribbon, nice and snug. Tie your shoes, step by step. You can do it, don't forget. Loop it here, loop it there. Now you've tied it with some flair. Make a loop just like a bunny. Make a loop just like a bunny. Wrap it round, slow and funny. Wrap it round, slow and funny. Push it through, don't let go. Push it through, don't let go. Pull both loops, nice and slow. Pull both loops, nice and slow. Tie your shoes, step by step. You're a pro, no need for help. Loop it tight and give a cheer. Your laces are tied, you're out of here. Great job tying your shoes. Now you're ready to jump, run and go. Step by step, that's how we roll. Shoelace stars, we're in control.